Hello, partners! Let's update your business profile together. Start by selecting Customize My Profile at the top right corner of the screen. Then select Profile Information. In this option, you'll be able to upload or change your profile photo, which is your business logo, and also your cover photo. Use high-resolution images that best represent your business and the products you sell. Once the upload is complete, click the Save button. Next, complete your business information in several sections. Contact information. Add the contact name, mobile number, and optionally, this field is not mandatory, a landline number. Legal information. Enter the legally registered name of your business, the EIN, employer identification number, your primary and secondary street addresses, as well as the city where the business is located, the state, the zip code, and a legal contact phone number. Remember that all fields are required unless marked as optional. Once your information is submitted, it will go through a review process. During this time, you will not be able to access certain features of the platform. Once validation is complete, you will receive a notification and be able to operate normally. When you're finished, click Save. That's it. Your profile is now updated. Follow us on our official social media channels for more information.